My name is Prince Peter Yali. I am from Ghana. I am currently reading MBA Business Analytics and aspire to become a business analyst, specifically in the field of marketing and also supply chain. What inspired me to pursue my MBA, and specifically at Clarkson? For the MBA aspect, it was because of a particular colleague at the workplace where I'm working at. And I specifically chose Clarkson University because I realized the course structure were a good fit for me. The job placement rate was amazing. And lastly, I realized that Clarkson University has a particular connection with its alumni, and I think it's something that I cherish, considering schools or institutions that are able to stay in touch with their alumni. What feels special about this MBA program is the fact that our course curriculum is practical. The models and our learning structure is also made in such a way that you are able to collaborate with other people. And specifically the school, where the school is located, is actually something that I personally want. That is why I chose Clarkson, the MBA at Clarkson.